Doggy. Hi.
So cute.
Hello.
What happened to your old dog?
Well, he was getting really old.
Hi.
Like,
Hi.
and like one day he spazzed out. And he was in the backyard. He bit my neighbor.
Hello.
So you guys had to give him away?
Why is Nate right there? Did they move right there? Because you know they moved. Does he live there now?
Girl, you better twist this or something before this shit puff up before the night starts.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hey. Look, my picture. Yeah.
Look at him.
Say
Hi, babe. She cute. Or whatever. She fine.
Stop.
Or whatnot.
I met this turtle. Huh?
She said I met this turtle.
I did. I met it the last time. Oh, you were with me. I'm like, I've been here and I've met this turtle. Hi, sis. Yes.
Hello, turtle.
Look at that sweetheart.
Hi.
Aww.
Oh, you know what? The light might bother him. I'm so sorry, honey.
Awkward because I randomly added him on Snap. I don't know his name. And we talk about our turtles together. On Snap, I was like,
With the who we used to sing when I was there. It's funny because when I hashtag what you sent me that, I like clicked on a little hashtag of summer drill. She was the first one that popped up.
also, he's the
What's going on?
Shit, waiting on you to do my hair.
I mean, I should say that.
Yeah, so you know.
I like your braids though.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Oh.
Moved up.
That's how you park
I'm
yourself.
so good for this. I'm so good for that shit.
I'm this close to dropping out of school. So this right here, I see how red and swollen my foot is. Like this hurts. Look at this. Like that is how you know I had a good night. Good morning. I don't like this because I can't really see. I had so much fun last night. And the one thing I don't like when I vlog is that you can't get everything. I met a bunch of girls last night and they kept complimenting me on my head wrap. I'll post a picture right here so you guys can see the head wrap. It was so cute and it was my first time trying like the two head wrap method. So like to make your wrap at the top bigger and more firm and tighter. Everybody like kept complimenting me. And when they started to talk, I started to talk about my YouTube channel and I got some positive feedback. Like girls went on, they subscribed, they liked videos. So that's a good start. I am going to run a couple errands today. I'm dragging James along. I have to take some clothes to Plato's Closet. Get these babies, if you can see them, finally. Get those fixed. Drop by my parents' house, go see them. My dad just bought a new car. So I'm gonna go see. Maybe he'll take me for a little joyride. I don't know. But it's a stick shift, so I don't really know how to drive stick shift. But yeah. I'm ready. So I already have like all of these bags of shoes to get away. Look for that. Actually, I was looking for these shorts. From because I literally just found parking right in front of. Wait, is this it? Where is it? Oh yeah, right in front of Play-Doh Plaza. So it's gonna take like 45 minutes for my clothes to get looked at.
You said you wanted burgers.
I don't know what this is. I mean, I don't know what this is, but you want like a place like this?
I don't care.
And I don't want soup.
Huh?
And I don't want soup.
Rellenos.
What is made of? Is it plantain?
It's a plantain.
A plantain.
In Spanish, it's plátano.
Plátano. I get so quiet. These fries are so good. So what did you get, babe?
Jibarito.
Jibarito?
New sound, new appearance. Bitches both from the 6. Give a fuck about a bitch. Walk on my hand on my dick, I'm the shit. Niggas still care about mixtape. Bitch wanna know how it's tape. She carry on.
I was really hoping we weren't going to have to vacuum the car. I don't feel like it. I should go to my mom's house.
You the only one I know can fit it all in them.
Look at my skin. Are you just drying off? Huh? You are going to vacuum? I love this one. Ah.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I got you.
I got caught under here. I think you're just supposed to, I think it's just the position of the sun. This is huge. This is huge. I like it. Huh? Or move the table back. Like this way, maybe? This is huge.
Huh?
Where'd you get it from?
Home
You got grilling down pat. Oh, you got a small one?
I can make that one. So I got it. Straight there.
You got it? So my mom has this really cool thing. Is it from Amazon, Mom? It's from Amazon, and it's called Alexa. So it's Alexa. Ooh. Yeah, it lit up. Alexa, play R&B.
R&B music.
Nice.
I'm saying, you gonna be mine.
This is so cool. It's called Alexa from Amazon. Good job, Mommy. Just gonna sit back and relax and have fun with my family.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
What's your name?
No, what's your name?
Kaden.
Say hi, I'm Kaden.
Hi, I'm Kaden.
How old are you?
3.
You're 3?
Yeah.
You're such a big boy.
What color?
Can you color? Okay, hold on. Wait, you gotta let it go. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
I'm gonna go color.
Going color.
Say hi. Oh, wait.
I was right in front of Walgreens and ended up getting an arrest. I'll deal with that when I get back.
Say hi.
Alright. I'll get it when I get back.
It's my dad. He just bought a new car. He just bought a new car. We're gonna go see it. Let's go see it. Look at him. Woohoo! Aren't you cool? This is nice.
Carden.
18 speakers with surround sound.
This would sound nice.
Wait, and
They got driving
music?
movies?
Huh?
I can feel it now.
And that's with no bass.
Oh, that's no bass?
Bass is all the way off.
Really?
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
When I move,
And that's not even all the way up.
Just like that.
hell yeah.
And that's the surround
Bring
sound.
that back.
When I move, you pull.
It is now.
And I go bye-bye. Kisses, you have a kiss? Count. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Mwah. I love you. Okay, I gotta go bye-bye. Okay? Count to what? 3, 4. 3, 4, I gotta go bye. My nephew hates when it's time for me to go.
I need
He need what?
to turn the music down so it doesn't get flagged. No, they do that shit for real.
He really hates when it's time for me to go. Like every single time I try to leave, it's like that. It's like, TT, no, can I go with you? Can I go with you? And I'm always sending him off like, yeah, next week. I feel bad. It just changed.
I saw a video that reminded me of you earlier.
But now we're gonna go to Top Golf and have some fun. Hey guys, Tyler, Court.
What's up, yo?
Chicken and waffles. Like smaller, right?
Huh? That one?
No, this one, right? 'Cause it's smaller.
Yeah. Yeah. We gotta be preparing. Crocky Mike. I apologize in advance. I talk a lot of shit.
Oh, you're competitive? I am too, but I'm not good at sport, so I'm chill, but I'm very competitive.
And you're not a good sport?
No, I'm not good at this, so I'm not as competitive, but I'm really competitive.
No, I'm like competitive even when I don't know how to play. Like I still talk crap. Like when I'm losing, they're like, you're losing. I'm like, I don't care. You're getting mad. I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. Like this, right? Points for me. Yeah. So amongst the people, Erykah Badu.
She shows up 2 hours late to her show because the energy wasn't right. She didn't tell her to go out.
No, that was Lauryn Hill.
That was more than
That shit was funny. I'm not feeling this bitch.
You was doing late, goddamn.
This shit was high as hell. That's what it was.
That's too much time.
Got this, baby. Don't hate. Don't hate. You got this. Game winner. Not so hard. Straighten that arm. You got this. Hey, hey, oh, hey. How does it feel to lose? How does it feel to lose? How does it feel to lose? See that? Yes, absolutely.
I'm taking a selfie.
When you're like me and you have too many clothes and shoes and Plato's Closet didn't want. I had some Steve Madden, do you know that? And they didn't take them. I had some Steve Madden heels and Plato's Closet said that they couldn't take it. Excuse me? I think it was scuffed on the front, maybe that's why. I'm gonna drop these off at US. Again. Use it again. Oh, that's cute how they did it.